Meet Nature's Mist consultant, internationally renowned French physicist, Dr. Robert Wallis.
All right, sit down.
Dr. Wallis, it's nice to be with you again today. We've been friends for a long time. You've studied all over the world waters, and water has been an obsession for you to learn more about for the personal health of all people.
Well, water is indispensable for the organism at any time, from childhood on to the advanced age. It is totally indispensable for the function of the organism. Life doesn't work without water.
Could you explain your clinical findings about the uniqueness of this particular water found in Oregon?
Nature's mist is very little mineralized, which is very important for all application and also for the skin. All other waters are rich in sulfate, in calcium, and what makes it totally special, Nature's Mist, is that it has a low pH, 6.4, 6.5. Therefore, it is comparable as acidity to the skin itself. The fact that it is comparable facilitates its effect when you spray it, and therefore it acts better being adapted beforehand.